Давам думата на господин Матиас Цайер, който е представител на GKN, една от най-големите компании в Германия за производство на зелен водород, предлагаща немалка гама от продукти в зелен водород, който ще разкаже малко повече за зеления водород, това, което правят тяхната компания и съответно възможностите на продуктите им.
So, hello, thank you very much for the introduction. My name is Matthias Zeyer, I'm from Germany. I'm responsible for the business development for this hydrogen energy storage solution called decentralized storage and supply of green hydrogen. And I want to give you an overview about our company and our technology, what we offer on the market. So the GKN Hydrogen is a new business area of the GKN company. GKN is a company worldwide with more than 50,000 employees working in 3 main divisions. And after the transition process is coming from the automotive industry to other industries, we thought in the GKN powder metallurgy about new business areas, about new business models. And with the knowledge of powder and with the knowledge of working with powder, we created a new business. It's called the hydrogen, and we store hydrogen in powder as a metal hydride. And this is a new business I will present here, and this business always work on the business with GKN hydrogen. So we help the world to become CO2 neutral with clean energy storage solutions. Yeah. And our claim is we save the hydrogen green, safe and compact. So the input energy is always alternative energy, mostly coming from PV, coming from wind, coming from water. Yeah. And safe means we store the hydrogen on a chemical way. We have no compressor, we have no compressed gas. So the hydrogen is stored in the metal hydride on a chemical way, and there's almost no free hydrogen, so no danger of explosion. And compact means you can store on this chemical way in comparison to a high pressure solution about 15 times more hydrogen on the same volume. Yeah? So that means our claim, green, safe and compact energy storage solutions. So here you see the different kind of way of energy. So only the excess energy, what is not needed today in demand, we bring with the inverter in our solution. This is a system, and the system has a fuel cell, the system has electrolyzer, the system has a storage, the storage capacity, it has a battery, and it has a heat management. So the excess energy is coming from the inverter to the electrolyzer. The electrolyzer is producing hydrogen, and also the electrolyzer is producing heat. We collect the heat and we store the hydrogen on a chemical way in these bottles. So in these bottles there are the metal hydrides integrated, and they store the energy on a chemical way. And in the night or in the winter month, then we re-electrification the hydrogen with the fuel cell. So the fuel cell is producing electrical energy and the fuel cell is producing heat. We also collect the heat. So at the end of the day, we offer you an energy storage solution for electrical energy and for heat. As a seasonal storage and as a stationary storage solution, which is described here on this picture. So here you see how it works. Yeah. So the metal hydrides are like a sponge structure, and the hydrogen gases are linked in this sponge structure, and it's absolutely safe, and we have an absorption and a desorption process only by controlling the heat to bring the hydrogen inside this structure and to put the hydrogen outside this structure. So these are the metal hydrides which are inside the bottles, and they store it on an absolutely safe way. So here you see regulars. So we offer systems and solutions including electrolyzer, and the electrolyzer and the bottles will be cooled, and we use the output pressure of the electrolyzer of maximum 40 bar. we need no compressor, and then the hydrogen gas is walking into this metal hydride structure and linked here for a long time. And to release this hydrogen, we heat the bottles up to a maximum 60 degrees, and we reduce the pressure to 1 to 2 bars. So then the hydrogen is walking through the fuel cell, and exactly the waste energy of the fuel cell is also the 60 degrees. So at the end of the day, we have developed a system for a long time storage with enormously low internal energy bedarf, because only the 20 degrees and the 60 degrees are the regulars for controlling this one, and we have no losses or no capacity fade with compressors. So here you see the difference between different kind of storage technologies on the market. The lithium-ion battery is one technology on the market. Also high pressure storage solutions is a technology on the market, and our low pressure metal hydride technology. As I mentioned, we have a very low risk. The safety is very high in comparison to other technologies. We have a very high recyclability rate because we use standard materials which can be recycled after a very long lifetime. And we offer you lifespan more than 20 years, going up to 30 years now, because this chemical process has no capacity fade and no self-discharge here. So you see only advantages from our solutions, but we see the lithium-ion battery mainly in the mobility, like cars, like the speakers before we had. Yeah. We see the high-pressure storage solutions mainly in filling stations, so there's huge market for both other technologies. And we see this metal hydride storage technology mainly for stationary storage solutions, for emergency energy, and for seasonal storage. This is a main market we see for our products we have on the market here. So we offer this technology in containers. So you see on the left side, you see systems, yeah, with 10 feet containers and 20 feet containers. And you see on the right side, there's a mega storage. There's only a storage. It's also in a 20 feet container. So they are easy to assemble in our plant and easy to transport to end customer solutions. So at the end of the day, we can realize any storage solution for industrial application with a mega tank, with large-scale electrolyzer, with fuel cell, with a CHP, or with a hydrogen direct use. And we can realize also the electrical and thermal energy storage solution with a high-to-mini or high-to-midi system for different kind of market applications we have. So here you see the inside of the high-to-mini with the power-to-X generation, with the heat management. So everything is in the container and it's absolutely safe, and we have all the regulars you need for the market. Yeah, there's no danger of explosion. This is a real working system for different kind of possibilities where you can store the energy with the hydrogen for a long time. So with a high-to-mega, you see you can have almost a behavior of 1,000 kilograms of hydrogen or much more. Everything is in containers. You can scale it up. You can stack it with the containers and combine it with the electrolyzer and the fuel cell. So this is an industrial application on the market for scaling up high amount of hydrogen. So here you see different ways what we offer. We offer industrial applications, power backup solution, microgrid solutions for buildings, off-grid solution, and our metal hydrides are also a good solution for maritime applications, for ships. Yeah. It will not be a solution for the normal mobility like cars or like trucks because of the heavy weight, but for all the others we see it as a very good solution on the market. So up to now, we built the systems and solution more than 30 times. Here are 4 projects we realized. So top of the mountain in the Austrian Alps on 3,100 meter height, there's an alpine shelter, complete energy autark. Over on the right side, there's a huge house in Germany, in Leipzig, where about 50 people live. and we use the system as a range extender for e-car charging. We use it for seasonal storage, for electrical energy and heat. And downside in Australia, we have it as a 100% off-grid solution for our administration building, the Hi2 Mini as a storage solution. And on the left side down, this is in the United States, there are 2 mega tanks with 1 megawatt power, and it's combined to a wind turbine. And also this is a seasonal storage for a microgrid who is running for a longer time. So and everything is connected to the Hi2 Connect app. We also connected the application for this one. So the digital service is an additional service we offer to the market, and we can create different kind of value reports and digital cockpit, including the adaptive control system. So at the end of the day, we are working with real weather data for the forecast, to know that the systems are running on the best way. So this is a GKN Hydrogen company from Germany. We produce this in Italy in our plant. We have in the United States an additional plant in Karlsbad. We are more than 70 people now in this business, and we bring this business to the market, and hopefully also we can create business here in Bulgaria. That's why I'm also here to present this and to show what this business can be for the future. So thank you very much. I have to hurry up a little bit because my plane is departing soon. If you have any questions, let me know, or I can give you the business card to send me an email. Thank you very much.
Thank you for presentation. It was very nice.